Hi, present day Suki here. I'm actually editing the empty apartment tour video right now, and I noticed I didn't have an intro, but it's been about a week since I moved into this apartment. I still have boxes everywhere just because I'm taking my time to slowly unbox. However, it's been a really nice space. It's been amazing. I really love it, and I'm so happy to be here in this space. So without further ado, here's the empty apartment tour video. This is my new apartment. You walk in this way and the view is like this. It's a northeast facing, so it's not as bright right now, and it's currently 2:55 p.m. Turning to the right side, you have the coat closet when you come in. I was very shocked at how spacious this coat closet is compared to the one I have now. This is the kitchen area. I just picked up some packages. There's a lot of shelvings for this kitchen, which is really nice touch as well. There is also recessed lighting in this kitchen. So moving in some more is the dining area, which I'm very excited about because I don't have a dining table right now. And I like that there's light on top of this dining area. This is the living room area, and it's actually really spacious. And I like that this is such an easy layout to work with. I can put like a TV or a couch there and have the TV or couch this way. This is how the natural light hits, which is quite important to me because I personally feel like I need a lot of natural light to keep my energy flowing and going throughout the day. Going into the bedroom area. The bedroom's actually right next to the living room. Ta-da! This is the bedroom. So again, it's literally the same side facing. This is the walk-in closet. And notice how there's no door. Well, I actually asked them to help me remove the door and the door stopper because I have an idea for this space. Last but not least, we have the most exciting part. Yes, you guessed it, the bathroom. I love that there's so many mirrors in this bathroom. And then the most exciting part is that they are all medicine cabinets behind these mirrors. I was so shocked when I saw that. Like literally all medicine cabinet space. I am truly so excited to just fill these cabinets up. And that's it for my new apartment tour. I'm really excited to move into this space. I have lots of ideas already. I've been measuring and just thinking about the aesthetics, like how I can decorate it, and I've ordered some stuff already. So I look forward to moving in and also decorating and filming a decorated and furnished apartment. Thanks!